Is it okay to try to get one more season of use out of an old swimming pool liner? This is one of those things that I really wish vinyl pool owners knew about. It's hard to understand if you don't work on swimming pools every day, and it might seem like, well, what's the big deal? I definitely know I need a new liner. Maybe the one you have now is, ripped, or it's slipping out of the coping track, or there's, patches upon patches or holes that you can't find, and you needed a new liner, but it's like, look, can't I just wait until next year? Like, how much of a problem could that possibly cause? And the truth is that it's quite a bit of damage can happen over the course of even a single season. A vinyl pool is like really strong in the last 50 plus years of a service life when you take care of them properly. But this assumes that the water is retained within the swimming pool. As soon as a pool starts leaking, there's damage that's happening. And with a vinyl liner pool, basically what you're talking about is walls and floor, not to mention the structure itself on really bad situations. If you need a new liner, then the time to get the liner is now. It's really not one of those things. I think people kind of look at it like, well, I'm not going to use the pool. It's just going to be like winterized. Let's say you live in a seasonal climate. So you're just going to winterize the pool. Like, what's the big deal? Just do it in the spring. The pool continues to wear and age as though you're using it. It doesn't sit dormant in the same way that you think. Like, you're picturing a car that needs new brakes. I'll just park it until spring and we'll do the brakes then. No harm, no foul. I really think that's how people look at it. But it's not like that at all. Like, imagine the car needs new brakes, so I'm just going to drive it until spring and we'll do the brakes then. That's a better description of the situation when you need a new liner. So there's damage that you can cause to the walls. You can have huge rusting issues with the walls. You can have problems with the floor, and you could end up needing a new floor in the pool if there's a problem with it. You could have a sudden failure of the liner if it's on its last legs already, and if you just suddenly find your pool empty in the middle of winter, that's really not good. Like, a vinyl pool is supposed to have water in it to protect the structure of the pool and to protect the floor from damage. And really, that trying to get that one more season of use out of a vinyl liner is something that has bit so many people to the tune of thousands of dollars that they didn't need to spend if they just attended to the problems in a more timely fashion. So I strongly encourage you, if you have a vinyl pool, when you notice it's time for a new liner, get on it, because it's going to save you money in the long run. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.